Hey everyone, welcome back to Noor Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy repair for your iPhone 13, troubleshooting baseband error issue. Let's get started. Disassembling the phone. Disconnect all flex from the motherboard. Removing the motherboard. Removing soft protectors. Place the motherboard to a layered heating system to disassemble the sandwich motherboard. Now we are going to the microscopic view, showing some connection points are missing. After separation, applying some paste to layered connectors. Apply soldering paste through a soldering iron on both layer connectors. Again, place it in a layered heating system to assemble the sandwich motherboard. Installing the firmware through the computer. Testing the phone. It's working normally. And that's it. You've successfully resolved the iPhone 13 network problem. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Noor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.